Hey, it's Miss Back Care. Peace, assalamu alaikum, and welcome. Today I'm going to go over the toolkit that you should have next to your bed. So I'm going to show you mine and what I have in it. So let's get started. One of the things I have in here is the Healing Garden Lavender Therapy Unstressed Pressure Point Lotion. Okay, it's lavender, so that's a muscle relaxant. It's sort of a de-stressor, and you can put this on your forehead, kind of get you to relax. You can put it on the temples and on the back of the neck, and just the scent of it will help you relax and help your muscles relax, and that'll relieve some of your pain. I suggest putting lavender essential oils on your bedspread and on your sheets and stuff, so that when you lay down, you are not only just trying to relax, but naturally you're being caused to relax by the lavender scent. Okay. TENS unit. Keep that next to the bed. Okay. You got your unit itself, all your lead wires, your electrodes, obviously extra batteries. This is so that you don't have to get out of bed in order to take care of yourself. This should be, obviously, like I said, right by your bed. You should be able to reach it from your bed, which is right there. Okay, back brace. Now, these aren't good for more than a few hours in my experience, but if you have to go out and you need to get your back brace on, you're supposed to lay down and kind of suck your stomach in and then apply the back brace. So it's good to have these by the bed. Hot and cold packs. So you see I have a radiator here. I actually keep this usually on the radiator or next to the radiator so that it's somewhat warm, so in case I have to use it as a heat pack. You can also leave it in the freezer so that it's ready in case you prefer cold. Alright, more electrodes for the TENS unit. This here is a massager. It's by Dr. Scholl's. All the products I'm showing you today I will probably I intend to do a video about separately and tell you about how effective they are or not. This is kind of my last resort. It doesn't give me the massaging that I really want, but it does cause a nice vibration, and it's sort of like being, I guess it's comforting, sort of like being rocked, you know what I mean? That rocking causes you to relax a little more, and the same thing with vibration, causes you to feel a little better. What else is in here? This is a heating unit. It uses infrared heat, and so it penetrates pretty deeply. This is by Pain Ease. I keep that by the bed also, you know. You can plug this in and apply it to the sore spots, and that's even better than a heating pad. Your massaging tools. In case you have to massage yourself, okay, just reach down and get your back, get your shoulders, your neck. Alright, use it wherever you've got to use it. And you can use that with the lavender essential oil. So you apply it to the area and then kind of massage it in. Tennis ball. This is really good for a massage. You'd be very surprised, but it's excellent. Okay, tennis ball. Lavender scented eye mask, again, relaxation, stress relief, muscle relaxing. This is another brace. These are CDs which I can pop into my computer for meditation. Okay, so meditation is a pain management and pain coping technique. It allows you to try to relax your muscles, and once you relax them, then again this is part of your healing process, because when you have a lot of pain, your muscles cramp up and then cause you even more pain. So it's a vicious cycle. Okay, so if you can meditate your way out of that, then that's an excellent thing to do. So I've got a bunch of CDs here for that. And by meditation, I don't mean any hocus pocus crazy stuff. You know, as you can tell, I'm a religious person, alhamdulillah. What I mean is closing your eyes and relaxing each part of your body separately, or reminding yourself of the blessings you have, and praying, or using positive imagery. Again, this helps you relax and releases the tension in the muscles. In fact, with one of those meditation techniques, you can achieve more relaxation than if you were asleep. So I'll probably talk about that in another video. This is what I call Xingu Shu. That's how you attempt to read the Chinese on the label, but I don't know, the way they say it is completely different from Xingu Shu, but that's how it's kind of spelt. Anyways, this is not as effective, but I understand that it's good for bone pain. And most of my pain is muscle pain, so I don't use this that much. But it's here just in case. You got to have things in case of an emergency. You got to have every tool just in case, you know, your main tools don't work. There are tons of medications in here. Okay. Again, in case my regular medicines don't work, I need to have my backup medicines available. Things that I used to take before but are no longer effective. But perhaps they become effective later because your body becomes adapted to the medicines that you're taking, and then eventually it stops working. So you have to wait some time and kind of rotate your old medicines back in. And in case you have to do that, you want to have those medicines right nearby you at hand by the bed in case something isn't working. Because if you call 911 and the ambulance is going to come to your house, you still have to get out of bed to get to the front door to unlock it. Okay, so you're going to need some medicines by your bedside that'll work even if your main medicines aren't working. This is Voltaren gel. Okay, that also. I use all kinds of gels and creams to help, again, with the muscle pain. This is lidocaine. It's similar to Novocaine, you know, that they use for your gums. This is for the body, of course, though. And you can apply this every 12 hours and use that for pain relief. And it's pretty good. Okay, my last main thing, and this is kind of heavy, is a neck massager. And so your neck goes here, and then this thing kind of rotates and massages your neck. And I have neck pain, so I keep this by the bed. So if you have lumbar pain, neck pain, any kind of spine problems, any kind of muscle pain, you want to keep a massager by your bed. This is for pain, inflammation, and swellings, and what this has in it is, I believe, eucalyptus. And so that helps, again, with relaxation and pain and stress relief. Stress is so negative. Stress will actually cause your muscles to contract and cramp up. So you want to avoid that at all costs. This is another anti-inflammatory. It's called Tronmeal. A lot of people like this, so you want to keep that as well. And these are lots of paperwork related to the products I keep by my bedside. For instance, this is for my heating pad. I keep information in here about my medications so that I can access them easily. So in case I'm wondering about side effects or something like that, I don't have to get out of bed to check it. I'm in pain or I'm experiencing a negative side effect, I'm feeling drowsy or something, I can check and make sure that it's actually coming from the medication. I've also got my user's manual in here for my TENS unit. some of the information on how to use the heating pads and things like that. The lavender heating pad that I showed you earlier, I've got the instructions for that in here as well. Okay, so that's generally what's in my emergency back pain and neck pain toolkit. Hope this was helpful for you, and make sure you have one by your bedside. Assalamu alaikum.